Struggling with missing data in your reports? Imagine running a report only to find crucial customer details like phone numbers and delivery dates missing. Meet SQL Server Platform, a powerful tool that tackles missing data head-on. By using COALESCE, you can seamlessly fill gaps with default values, ensuring your reports are always complete. How it works. With COALESCE, it scans for null values in specified fields, replacing them with defaults when absent. Plus, it guarantees your reports are accurate and reliable. Using COALESCE, you'll achieve complete reports for better insights, improved decision-making with accurate data, simplified data management for analysts. Sound interesting? Comment SQL if you found this useful.